until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Stone Bluff, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in or near the path include Broken Arrow, Wagoner, Pryor, Coweta, Pryor Creek, Shoto, Haskell, Inola, Locust Grove, Salina, Porter, Stone Bluff, Sportsman Acres Community, Oneida, Redbird, Maisie, Snowdale State Park, Leonard, Murphy, Cosca. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is thunderstorm was located over Pryor, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in or near the path include Pryor, Pryor Creek, Salina, Snowdale State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 7:20. Hail will be possible with this storm. Locations in or near the path include Miami, Veneta, Grove, Commerce, Salina, Fairland, Afton, Quippaw, Langley, Adair, Welch, Bernice, Ketchum, Spavinaw, Blue Jacket, Wyandotte, Disney, Big Cabin, Treese, Pensacola. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 264 and 321. At 7 p.m., at the Tulsa International Airport, light
Stop recording.
Village of Four Seasons, Lake Ozark, Pine Beach, Lake Creek, Quippaw Hills, Climax Springs, Green Bay Terrace, Nubby, Hurricane Deck, Old Creek, Edwards, Barno Town Service. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri: Benton, Canton, and Morgan. The current time is 7:42 p.m. Central Standard Time. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hickory County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the
Central
warning
Missouri is
area.
9141. Severe thunderstorm
Therefore,
warning is
the
number
warning
3.
has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard